Risotto is a labor of love, transforming humble rice into a creamy masterpiece. Originating from northern Italy, this dish highlights the versatility of arborio rice and the importance of technique. Perfect for weeknight dinners or special occasions, each bite delivers comfort and elegance. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil or butter in a wide sauté pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Stir in 1 cup arborio rice and toast for 2 to 3 minutes until edges are translucent. Pour in ½ cup dry white wine or broth and stir until absorbed. Gradually add ½ cup hot broth at a time, stirring until absorbed before adding more. Keep broth simmering at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius, stirring regularly to release starch. Cook for 15–18 minutes until rice is al dente and creamy. Risotto's roots date back to the 14th century, when rice was introduced to Italy in the Po Valley. It evolved into a comforting, versatile dish with regional variations like risotto alla Milanese. Once cooked, remove from heat. Stir in ½ cup grated Parmesan and butter. Season with salt and pepper. If desired, fold in 1 cup cooked mushrooms, shrimp, or asparagus. Garnish with fresh herbs and serve immediately into shallow bowls. Troubleshooting tips. For sticking, reduce heat and stir more frequently. If the texture is too thick, add more broth. For creamier results, try carnaroli or vialone nano rice. Leftovers can be transformed into arancini by frying. Risotto reflects Italian slow food requiring patience to savor. Un'attesa che sa di bontà.